are out here, Los Angeles Crest, you know the area. I don't know why I'm all the way up here, but thank the RDB media team for dragging me out here today. And here we have a pretty much stock G-Wagon. Okay, no, it has a lot of stuff on there. There is a phase 2 of this car. Unfortunately, we didn't make it in time. Christmas and New Year's really affecting a lot of the parts. 2 things remaining on order that are coming in. We also just received the wheels at the shop. Unfortunately, we don't have the big special order tires, so we couldn't throw that on, but they are coming, and we're gonna be putting on some very special, really aggressive wheels on it. But for now, we got all the Brabus components. Which is obviously molded into the front bumper. We have the Brabus front grille B, the light up emblem, the carbon fiber around the grille as well. We have the new version 2 hood scoop with the vent on there. We have the really nice Brabus side steps that are actually the best for this. There's a lot of Chinese steps, much cheaper, but you get what you pay for. These are really nice. They say Brabus on them too, so you're paying a lot of money for that, but there you go. You got the side steps on there as well. It has the 700 package, so you'll see the 700 emblem on there. So that's the 700 horsepower Brabus tune. And it comes with warranty, which is amazing from Brabus. We have the Brabus rear spare tire holder as well. We have Brabus pedals, Brabus door illuminated emblems. So all that kind of stuff adds up with Brabus. Pretty expensive build. WideStar on there, but yeah, we're still gonna do the wheels on there. We're gonna do a Rentec downpipe. Rentec has been closed for, I don't know, 2-3 weeks for the holidays, so we can't get the downpipes yet. Hope you guys like it. Like I said, we're on this beautiful location, literally covered with mountains, and wish we had the wheels on there, but we'll shoot it again for you guys in a few weeks. This is company van, and we're gonna head back to the shop because we haven't had lunch, and yeah, time to get back, so.
Hey, Ken. Huh?
You gotta do it in reverse.
No, bro, he's gonna flip the van over.
So bad.
Alright.
Are you okay?
Yeah, just cleaning the window.
What window?
Just clear window, I'm pretty good, right?
Super clean.
Super clean, transparent.
Ride the beautiful Range Rover here.
definitely. Yeah, it sucks. Brand new car, but we're gonna go ahead and do a wrap too. We're gonna wrap this car too. Nice color. And obviously we're gonna have to replace the glass. But yeah, that's what we're doing on this one.
This is my favorite part.
Alright guys, this car is getting on the tow truck. Going back to the client's house. Until we see it next time again. Hopefully next time it comes, we'll have a body kit on it. But for now, it's a wrap. Right, Hanky? Hanky?
Pay for it. What the? Pay for it.
Threw brown sugar.
I thought it was water.
I just feel to wake up and just be a liar.
Pretty good.
He's used to it.
Alright you guys, we have a Porsche Cayenne here. We are doing a beautiful tow hitch on this car. It's not as easy as it looks. Gotta take the bumper out. There's a lot of wiring stuff, electrical that we gotta do too. So yeah, Daniel started on it. We want to try to get this thing done by tomorrow, before the holidays. Customer needs the car. Let's go.
Abajo de la luz, abajo de la luz. Eso. Pesado, vato. Usted es de los míos. Merry Cream. Ah, no, ya me pasé, vas. Ya venció esa madre.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy early New Year.
No, Monday, man. This is for, este para hoy. No, este para
This
Monday.
is for Monday.
Oh.
So this is, they're gonna see you next year. After this one.
After Monday.
Yeah.
Vamos a grabar. Pero todavía no. Todavía no, espérame. Espérate, todavía no. Luces. Cámara. Acción. Desde aquí para allá. From here to there. Así. Everyone. A todos. Es una luz de cine.
Cut.
Cut. To everyone. I hope you have. No. Cut. I hope you have a very and I hope you have a very good new year. It's okay.
I know.
To all my people, toda mi gente, todos mis latinos, todos mis hispanoamericanos, todos, man, los amo con todo el corazón. Sabe que el amor es para dar, es para compartir. Si tú das amor, recibes amor, vato. When you love someone, someone love you too, bro. So así que I hope you have a new year, enjoy it, and we continue with these things on the cars and new bodies coming, a lot of new things coming up for the new year. You have enjoyed all the things we do, but a lot of places or whatever the other places do the same thing, you know. I hope the guys, God bless you guys, wherever you are. And then we're gonna have this for the new year. We're gonna have a new things coming up. You will see. We have a new good team now. Well, always we have a good team, you know, but the people we have right now on the shop, all the guys, new workers, they enjoy working on those things. Yeah, they work hard now. What else I say? Cut.
We are standing behind something different. This is a Mercedes S500, as you can see, and it is banged up. Things are sticking out, poking out of it. Unfortunately, this customer was a victim of a rear end collision, and it took out the whole left corner of the car. This car actually has significant damage on the inside. So you might not think this is too much of a big deal. The bumper, okay, it needs a new bumper. Taillight's not even bad. But when you check under there, the muffler is completely bent. The rear body panel is bent. All that stuff internally has been damaged. So it's very, very wise for you guys to get your vehicle checked out by a proper body shop, because in this case, he could have had insurance come to his house, write him an estimate, and it would be very, very low. And oftentimes customers take that money and they want to go and fix their cars themselves, and then it's always an uphill battle with insurance to try to fix the estimate. So when you get into a car accident, hit up a professional body shop like RDB, and we could tow your car in for free. We could help you out. We could do everything fast and make it look even better than brand new. So hit us up if you have any car accidents.